Hey there, this is George, and today we are reviewing the Fullicon Weekly Pill Organizer, and it is currently at $9.49 on Amazon. A little disclaimer, this item in particular will be an Amazon Vine product, which means I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. And without any further ado, let's get started. So here we have the box that it comes in. There's the brand Fullicon, or Fullicon, however you want to say it. It comes in two pieces, and looks like it's got a description on the back here. It's waterproof, compact, shockproof, arthritis proof, and you can use it as a puzzle, apparently. All right, looks like here are the instructions, and this looks like just an advertisement for more pill organizers by the same company and the warranty information. This here is the instruction booklet, apparently. Half of it is in Chinese and the other half in English. And it says, Twister is a highly flexible product. You may use these marking labels to assist you better recognize stored content. On the right side of it is a bunch of small square stickers. So here we are. Looks like it feels very solid. And I always weigh the product. This one is 1.8 ounces. And doubled at 3.6. Yep, that adds up. There's a rubber band. There's another rubber band. I assume that is there for the waterproofing of these containers. You can interchange these. Looks like they're all interchangeable. And the cap itself can be interchanged with all the other containers. Now you're probably wondering, how many pills can it hold? Well, it just so happens that I have some pills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right there, 10 doesn't seem to fit if you just kind of throw them in there. So we're going to have to Tetris it in there. And still 10, kind of shake it up a little bit, settle it down, and it does fit. So it fits 10 of those. Now we're going to try these plastic capsules that usually have just sawdust in them. At least that's what it looks like. So 10 capsules. And of course we got the vitamin C little pucks, and we're just going to throw those in there. Those don't seem to fit fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try a seventh one. Nope, seventh doesn't work. So 6 vitamin C little pucks, if you organize it well in there. What are the size of these pills, you ask? Well, here we go. And so since this thing says it's waterproof, I am going to compare it with a pill organizer I already have. This is a generic one I got from Walgreens, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and put some vitamin C pucks in some of the compartments, because you can kind of tell when these vitamin C pills get wet. Anyway, looks like it's already leaking. So we're going to open that up and drain all the water out. As you can tell, these vitamin C pucks got a little darker as they got wet. Now we're going to test the Fullicon pill organizer. I'm going to put a vitamin C pill in each one. And it looks like it floats. In case you're ever out at sea, your vitamins will be fine. Let's see, I'm going to dip it in there. Shake it around, because, you know, that's how you really test how something's waterproof. And let's open it up. Looks like all of them are completely dry. As you can tell, the dry ones are a little lighter, the wet ones are a little darker. And you can add the other one and make it one long pill organizer. And you get an extra cap. It doesn't look like there is a specific space for these stickers. Looks like you can just stick them wherever visible. I do like this pill organizer just because it is modular and you can choose how many containers you want to take with you. And I do like that it's waterproof or maybe humid proof, because I did leave a few vitamin C pills in that Walgreens container and somehow moisture got in them and they kind of ruined the rest of all the pills that were inside it. So I'm thinking it probably wouldn't have happened inside one of these. You can mix and match however many containers you need. It does only come with 2 caps, so you can only have 2 complete containers. And obviously you can fit more than pills in there. You can put in tiny screws, your bug collection, or maybe someone's nail clipping collection. Whatever it is you feel like organizing. So I'm going to give this 5 stars. And that is my review of the Fullicon Weekly Pill Organizer. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video or leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. You never know, I might be reviewing an item you might find useful. Take care, and we'll see you next time.